Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make a CapCut PFP. Here are two short methods to create a profile picture using CapCut. First method, use a single image. Open CapCut, start a new project, and add the photo you want to use as PFP. Crop and adjust. Tap aspect ratio and choose a square aspect ratio, for example, 1/1. Adjust the image to fit the frame, then tap on the check mark on the bottom right corner. Enhance the photo using filters or add text and stickers for customization. Save the edited image to your gallery for use as PFP. Last method, add effects and overlays. Add the photo to a new project, tap Effects, go to Video Effects, and choose options like Light Effects, Retro, or Glitch to enhance the PFP. Use Overlay to add elements like shapes, light lakes, or gradients to your PFP. Adjust opacity and blend modes for a polished look. Save the final design and use it as your profile picture. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.